Shandong Jinyu Machinery Co Limited, founded in 1984, covers an area of 65,300 square meters, including a construction area of 25,000 square meters. It is a professional manufacturer of screw jacks and ball screw jacks. It produces more than 18,000 screw jacks annually. It focuses on the research, development, manufacturing, and sales of screw jacks, electric push rods, and spiral steering boxes. They're widely used in metallurgy, mining, lifting, transportation, petroleum, chemical, textile, pharmaceutical, food, light industry, and other industrial sectors of transmission. Our company has a long history of production, strong technical strength, and perfect testing facility, and it is more popularly depended and recognized by the users.